Stampers, Jackie Bolhuis from Klompen Stampers. It's the first of the month, and that means it's time for brand new card making kit that I have to offer to you. Now, if you've never gotten my card making kits, let me just tell you, they're free. It's all about free. It's all about getting you to use the stamps you buy and making sure when you get them, you use them. Nothing makes me sadder than when you buy a stamp set and it sits unused. So that's why I developed my card making kits. Now, they're free when you make a $50 purchase with me between the 1st and the 10th of the month, and you use the special card making kit host code. Now, I'm going to have all the details for that down in the description of this video to take you over to the blog for all the details and the host code and so forth. But just remember, you have until April 10th to place your order and get it for free. We're using a super fun summery stamp set, which makes me so happy. So what I want to do is flip the camera down. I'm going to show you the projects in this month's card kit and tell you a little bit more about the supplies you'll need. So hold on one sec. Like I said, it screams summer, and I know we're all ready for summer. So we're using a stamp set that's kind of hidden in the the annual catalog. I'm going to just flip us open here. It's called Lemon Zest, and it's on page 117 of the annual catalog. It's so much fun. Quick and easy cards you can make with it to send for a variety of reasons. It's got a happy birthday in it, but I love the other greetings in there. Now, it does coordinate with, we'll flip that over, the Lemon Builder Punch that's on page 212. You're going to want both of those items in order to complete the cards in the card kit this month. You also are going to need a 1 3/4 inch punch. Now, I'll have the links for you for a complete list of supplies. I used a variety of different colors and stamp pads and a few markers. I'll have that in the blog post for you. The good thing is you can kind of switch them up, and as long as you've got a nice lime color and a nice lemony color, you really can use whatever works for you. But you're going to get all the supplies in your free card kit to make 2 each of these, so that's 4 cards. And then this is what I was super excited about. It's a little gift packet. Now, if you don't want to make it as a gift packet, you can certainly use the cards yourself or give this to someone as a friend. But inside of here are 4 adorable note cards. Super cute. Used a lot of the different colors. We used all the different greetings in them, and it's super fun. So you get to make 8 note cards plus 8 here, or not, I'm sorry, 4 note cards plus 4 of these. That gives you 8 cards that you get to make completely free when you participate in this month's card making kit. Remember, all you have to do is place your order between April 1st and April 10th. Use the special card making kit host code. Make sure your order is at least $50. I'll have a list of everything you need so you can build your order around that. And then I'm going to send you this completely free, along with a PDF instruction sheet and a video that has some great tips for how I made all of the fruit, got the multicolors on there, easy way to use the punch to punch out all the elements, and you're going to be off and running with this stamp set. So I hope to be able to share these ideas with you in the mail. Check out all the details, and if you have any questions at all, make sure you ask. I'm here to help you in any way that I can. So until I really stamp with you, which I didn't do today, my normal sign off though is have a stamp happy day.